Hello everyone, welcome to Chat Jamaican. As the coronavirus spreads in Jamaica, oh sweet, sweet Jamaica, people on the island are being told by health and government officials to stay at home to curb the problem. Please do it. Tana your yard. Not everyone is following that advice. You may see the evidence on social media, watching friends, acquaintances, or loved ones posting real photos from airplanes or hotels. Or maybe you know someone who is about to go on a travel to Jamaica despite the obvious warnings. Here are 5 reasons why you must not travel to Jamaica during COVID-19. Tan at your yard.
Come and chat with Tanya.
Like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Number 1. Travel increases your chance of getting and spreading COVID-19. Staying home in your country is the best way to protect yourself and others from COVID-19. As Jamaicans would say, Tana your yard. While traveling to Jamaica, you can get COVID-19. You may feel well and not have any symptoms, but you can still spread COVID-19 to others. You and your travel companions, including children, may spread COVID-19 to other people and people living on the island, including your family, friends, and community for 14 days after you were exposed to the virus. Tana your yard. Number 2. Lockdown is becoming the norm in Jamaica. Now, you all take vacations for various reasons, and no one should be taking vacations for no reasons at all during this time. One is that the lockdown is becoming the norm now on the island, and you may find yourself trapped in places. As the rising number of COVID-19 cases in the island becomes increasingly worrisome, the health authorities yesterday placed a Clarendon community in Jamaica under 14-day lockdown after the virus spread started among the congregation of a church. Sandy Bay is the second Clarendon community to be quarantined due to a concentrated spread of the virus, and the 6th community to be restricted since Jamaica confirmed its first case of COVID-19 in March. You could become stuck in the community that you are visiting or the hotel, or on your way back as countries shut borders and airlines cancel flights. If you do make it home, you are likely to be asked to quarantine for 2 weeks. Tan at your yard. Number 3. Jamaica healthcare system is overwhelmed. Jamaica healthcare system is overwhelmed currently and will be overwhelmed when confirmed cases are hospitalized. There may be limited access to adequate medical care in affected areas, and you do not want this to be happening to you on this beautiful island if you become sick. The total hospitalization, including confirmed and suspected positive cases, stands at 35. This number includes 8 patients who are moderately ill, representing the highest ever count of moderately ill patients with the virus locally. If you stay in your country, health care will be easily accessible to you. Tan at your yard. Number 4. Jamaica implement local travel restrictions and you might be arrested for breaches. When you visit the island, Jamaica implements local travel restrictions, mandatory quarantines, and prohibiting non-citizens from local travel or leaving their hotel. If you choose to travel to Jamaica, your travel plans may be disrupted. If you breach the quarantine order, you can or will be charged for breaches of the Disaster Risk Management Act. The country's latest arrest is entertainer Amari, whose real name is Venice Fong Chung, was charged after she was found in breach of a self-quarantine order. According to the police, Fong Chung was seen at several places following her arrival in the island. If you get sick or are exposed to a person with COVID-19 during your trip to Jamaica, you may be isolated or quarantined and your return to your country may be delayed. Tan Ayoyad. Number 5. You may not understand the seriousness of the pandemic in Jamaica. If your bags are packed and you are ready to travel to Jamaica or traveling to Jamaica, you may not understand the seriousness of the pandemic. While there have been more than 900 confirmed cases of COVID-19 in Jamaica, you may believe it is not a problem in your community or the place or hotel you plan to visit. The fact is, everyone traveling should operate under the pretense that there is a coronavirus disease in their community or the area that you are planning on staying, even in areas that may not be reporting widespread transmission. You don't know who is sick and who is not in Jamaica. Persons who are more at risk in the pandemic, the elderly, and people with compromised immune systems should not be traveling at all, and everyone else should stay home unless a trip is absolutely essential. You're at risk of spreading the disease. Tan Ayoyad. Now let us look at the Coronameter that was published by Jamaica Gleaner. This was published 9 p.m. Friday, August 7, 2020, and they are looking at day 151. Currently, the number of confirmed cases in Jamaica is 987. The number of deaths is 13. The number of persons that have recovered is 745. There are 177 active cases in Jamaica and 364 cases were imported. Contact of a confirmed case is 281. Under investigation, there are 44 cases. This was published by the Jamaica Gleaner. Don't travel if you are sick or if you have been around someone with COVID-19 in the past 14 days. Don't travel with someone who is sick. Travel increases your chance of getting and spreading COVID-19. COVID-19 risk in most countries is high, and travelers should avoid non-essential travel to high-risk countries. Travelers at increased risk for severe illness should consider postponing all travel, including essential travel to high-risk countries. Thank you for watching Chat Jamaican. Let me just do a brief recap of the top 5 reasons why you should not travel to Jamaica. Number 1. Travel increases your chance of getting and spreading COVID-19. Number 2. Lockdown is becoming the norm in Jamaica. Number 3. Jamaica healthcare system is overwhelmed. Number 4. Jamaica implement local travel restrictions and you might be arrested for breaches. And number 5, you may not understand the seriousness of the pandemic in Jamaica. Those were the top 5 reasons why you should not travel to Jamaica during COVID-19. Thank you for watching Chat Jamaican. Lick more.